From actionable ops, here's how to dodge rate limits with multiple keys and one automatic rotation. Credential pools. A credential pool is just several keys for the same provider. When one of them hits a rate limit or a billing quota, Hermes rotates to the next healthy key without switching providers. Your session never notices. Think of it as the layer below fallback. Pools rotate keys within one provider, and they're tried first. Only when every key in the pool is used up does Hermes fall through to a completely different provider. Adding keys is one command. Hermes auth add, with a provider and a key, stacks another onto the pool. Hermes auth list shows every pool and marks the active key. And keys it borrows from your .env or a secrets manager are reference only in auth.json. It stores a source and a fingerprint, never the raw key. You choose how it rotates. Fill first, the default, drains one key before moving on. Round robin cycles through them evenly. Least used always grabs the key with the lowest count. Or random, if you just want spread. It's smart about errors, too. A transient rate limit retries once, then rotates, with a 1-hour cooldown. But a plan or usage limit cap rotates immediately, no retry, since it won't clear on a retry. A billing error rotates now too, on a 24-hour cooldown, and an expired OAuth token gets refreshed first, and subagents inherit the parent's pool. That's credential pools in Hermes, built by Noose Research. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.